Hailuo AI has just been released, and in this review, I'm going to share the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this powerful new AI tool. If you're considering diving into the world of Hailuo AI, or even just curious about what it can do for your business or personal projects, stick around, because this software could change the game. And by the way, you can try Hailuo AI for free from the first link in the description below, so keep watching. Right off the bat, Hailuo AI stands out because of its versatility. Unlike many AI tools that focus on just one niche, Hailuo offers a wide range of functionalities, everything from content generation to customer service automation. Whether you're in digital marketing, content creation, or business operations, Hailuo AI has something for you. I'll get into the specifics, but this software is designed to streamline processes across multiple business functions. One of the key features is its natural language processing capabilities. It's built to understand and generate human-like text, making it a great tool for content creators. If you're in a field where copywriting or blog writing is a priority, this AI can instantly generate well-written, SEO-friendly content that's ready to go. Whether you're trying to save time on content creation or improve your output, Hailuo can help you scale quickly. Another standout feature is its customer support integration. Hailuo can be seamlessly integrated into your business's customer service channels, like chatbots or email automation. Its ability to handle a variety of customer inquiries without sounding robotic is impressive. If you're a small business or even a larger enterprise looking to boost customer engagement while saving time, this software has you covered. The third crucial point to note is Hailuo AI's predictive analytics. By analyzing patterns and customer behavior, it helps you make more informed decisions. Whether you're running an ad campaign or trying to improve user experience on your website, Hailuo AI can provide actionable insights that lead to better outcomes. This is something that typically requires specialized knowledge in data analytics, but Hailuo makes it accessible and easy to interpret for anyone, regardless of experience. But here's the real kicker: Hailuo's pricing model. Unlike many other AI tools that can drain your budget, Hailuo AI offers competitive and transparent pricing with flexible plans. It's designed for scalability, which means you don't have to worry about growing too fast and outgrowing the tool. Plus, it's available for a free trial from the link below, so you can explore its features without committing a single dollar. Now, if you're a marketer, you're going to love Hailuo AI's content distribution features. It automates social media posting, email campaigns, and even ad copy generation. No more wasting time manually posting on every platform or trying to come up with fresh ideas. Hailuo can handle it all while keeping everything optimized for your target audience, improving your overall digital marketing strategy. What also makes Hailuo AI stand out from the competition is its ease of use. Unlike many complex AI platforms that require a steep learning curve, Hailuo is designed to be intuitive. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, you'll find the interface clean and easy to navigate. The onboarding process is seamless, so you can start using it right away without feeling overwhelmed. Finally, the customer support team at Hailuo is top-notch. They offer extensive resources, including tutorials, forums, and direct support to help you get the most out of your AI. It's rare to see this level of customer care in a software company, and it adds to the overall value of using Hailuo. If you're ready to get started, check out the first link below to try Hailuo AI for free. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've also listed my recommended AI software in the description, which I personally vouch for. These are tools that I know will make a huge difference in your productivity and results.